The colors you see on any object depends not only on its local color, but the color of the light source and the colors reflected from nearby objects. Look at the three lemons on the left. They are illuminated by a warm light, while the lemons on the right are illuminated by a cool light. Notice the influence of the light on the color of the lemons. The warm light gives an orange hue to the lemons, while the cool light gives the lemons a bluish hue. However, there is color harmony in each of these images because of the corresponding temperature of the light. Therefore, the colors you mix should correspond to the temperature of the light illuminating the objects. If the light is warm, such as an orange color from an incandescent light or the afternoon sunlight, then the colors of the objects are influenced by such orange color. If the light source is cool, like the bluish light from fluorescent lamps or the morning sunlight, then the colors of the objects are influenced by such bluish color. Of course, the artist is free to dramatize or exaggerate colors by contrasting them against each other, as long as the final work looks harmonious. Many artists like to emphasize the aspect of temperature of light on objects by painting the shadows with a mixture of the object's local color and the light's complementary color. This way, the painting gets a chromatic drama. Such artists tend to be colorists. Observe these very simplified schemes with several ways to paint a red cube. The cube at the upper left is being illuminated by a warm light, so the colorist artist would probably lighten the red color in the light with an orange color and white, and would darken the red color in the shadow with the light's complementary color, a violet or blue. The cube at the lower left is illuminated by a cool light. The colorist artist would probably lighten the red color in the light with violet or blue and white, while he would darken the red color in the shadow with the light's complementary color, orange and burnt umber. Conversely, when the artist decides to paint lights and shadows with lighter or darker versions very close to the object's local colors, then the artist tends to be a tonalist. A tonalist would probably paint a cube such as the one shown to the right by lightening the red color with yellow and white in the light and darkening the shadow with a darker version of the red, possibly with alizarin crimson, though it tends toward a reddish violet. Notice the green background, which is the red's complementary color. Between the pure colorist and tonalist, there are many ways to solve the problem of lightening and darkening colors, but the color scheme you choose should always be one that's harmonious according to the light source.